Smokerase Training Video 2, Software Overview and Key Features. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to walk through the key features inside Smokerase. When you open the program, you'll see the core function panel. Each function targets a specific layer of the smoking pattern. Let's go through them. First, relaxation. This supports calming the nervous system and reducing stress-triggered impulses. If smoking is stress-driven for you, this is where you begin. Next, curb appetite. When nicotine drops, appetite and oral fixation can increase. This function helps stabilize that transition. Then, inhibit damaging effects. This works on interrupting reinforcement loops tied to the habit. It supports breaking the internal feedback cycle. The core function is lose the desire. This is the primary quit function. If your goal is to stop smoking, this is the one you'll use consistently. Finally, repair damaging effects. This supports the body's natural restoration process. You're not just stopping a habit, you're supporting recovery. To run any function, select it, place your attention on your water, press the run button. Keep it simple. In the next video, we'll talk about cravings, detox, and how to accelerate results safely.